Meet the mantis shrimp, nature's living weapon in the ocean, the world's fastest punch. Also known as sea locusts or thumb splitters, they have inhabited the ocean for over 400 million years. It's small, it's beautiful, and it can punch harder than a bullet. The mantis shrimp, the ocean's most misunderstood killer. At first glance, the mantis shrimp looks like a jewel drifting through coral reefs. But behind those glowing colors hides one of the most powerful weapons ever evolved. The mantis shrimp strikes with the speed of a .22 caliber bullet. Its punch is so fast it creates bubbles hotter than the surface of the sun, cracking shells, smashing glass, and stunning prey instantly. While humans see in 3 colors, the mantis shrimp sees in up to 16. It can detect ultraviolet light, polarized light, and colors we can't even imagine. Like the dart frog's poison and the bullet ant's sting, the mantis shrimp survives through fear. Few predators dare challenge a creature that can break bone in a blink. In the wild, size doesn't decide power. Sometimes, the smallest creatures carry the greatest force. The mantis shrimp isn't a monster. It's a masterpiece of evolution, designed to survive at any cost.